Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to G-Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. This is January 30th, 2020. Yeah, it's Thursday. Anyway, we're out here. Beautiful morning this morning. Sun came up early, like it's supposed to, and the wind is gone. And boy, has it been howling the last couple of days. Anyway, here are the girls. They think they're going to go out in free range. That's why they're at the door here. But there's the one that's been ill. She's inside the little shelter there. And she's still moving around. She got out yesterday and ate some food and drank some water. And I gave her some more natural antibiotics. So she's doing fine. And we'll see if she makes it or not. She's still hobbling on that one leg. So anyway, I'm going to try to get a few things done around here that have to get done. And we'll see. So I will cut this one short. I just wanted to give you an update on that. And I'm going to be working in the garden all day. And then I got to start working on cleaning out those containers. Because when Pierre was here, we got the garage all organized nicely, but the containers are still a real mess. And I was looking for some stuff in there yesterday and couldn't find it. And I got frustrated, so I went in and took a nap. And then when I got up, the winds were blowing around 30 miles an hour. And I said, that was enough of that. So anyway, that's where we stand. And this is G-Bear reminding you, give me a thumbs up down there for this short video. And I'm going to go check my mail. And then I'll have the rest of the day to get things done. This is G-Bear signing off.